Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how to make jerk chicken kebabs. And here is all of my ingredients. Using chicken breast, I have my sweet peppers and my purple onion. Regular onion. I'm going to be making a marinade sauce for the chicken breast. Here's all of my spice. I will go through all of my spices. I'll put up the list as I go. Shout out to Opaline Barber. So if you want to go get a haircut, you know where to go. I'm going to put up their thing right here so you guys can check them out. And I also have 2 jerk chicken video I'm going to put up as well so you guys can support both of them, spicy and the first non-spicy jerk chicken. I'm going to start by cutting up all of my ingredients that I'm going to be making the marinades. I'm going to start out with my thyme. And green onion. Regular onion. I'll be using the magic bullet. And the same with the garlic. Three cloves of garlic. Add straight into the magic bullet cup. And this is the marinade sauce. Now it's time to add seasoning to the marinade sauce. I am using a teaspoon of seasoning into the marinade sauce. I'm gonna start out with all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, jerk seasoning, and that is Jamaican jerk seasoning, meat seasoning, and a few grains of pimento, couple drops of browning, just like 2 drops. Just to give it the color. Close up and then blend. Now my marinade sauce is finished blending and this is perfect. I'm going to measure out the seasoning that I'm going to use on the chicken breast, and the reason why: you don't want to be angling raw chicken and then you cross-contaminating by spreading all of that on your seasoning containers. Start out with 1 teaspoon of all-purpose chicken seasoning, jerk seasoning, meat seasoning, and pimento, just a few grains. Now I'm going to cut up my vegetable that I'm going to put on my skewers. I'm going to start out with my onion. Just a few cuts of purple onion. You just need a few pieces. Now I'm going to cut my peppers. Now I get all of my peppers and my onion chopped up. I'm just going to remove them from the cutting board. onto the plate. Now I'm gonna season the chicken. I have to sanitize my gloves because these gloves are coming from a factory. I'm just sanitizing it in some water with vinegar. I'm gonna cut the chicken, but I'm gonna tell you guys, I wash my chicken with vinegar and I clean off all the fats. You just want to get them in nice chunks. Now all of the chicken is finished cut. I'm just going to add it back into the bowl so I can apply seasoning. So I'm just going to add the seasoning that I portion out. Mix the seasoning. Just lightly rub it into the chicken breast. I am using the boneless chicken breast. Then I'm going to pour my marinated sauce. Chicken breast is well marinated and I've added the seasoning and I can smell that spicy goodness. I'm gonna load up my skewers. So we're going to start out by adding chicken, onion, pepper, and you can go with any style you want to go with. And this is the final one. And check out the amazing color. Now I'm going to light the barbecue and I'm going to add them straight to the barbecue. And remember, we're cooking outside. Add the coat with all the season, and remember, always boil it. and you want to repeat the process every 15 minutes. Now for the second coat. And I'm going to turn them over. Now I'm going to coat the other side. Now I'm gonna check on my jerk chicken kebabs, and they are done, and I'm just gonna remove them from the barbecue. Now I have my jerk chicken kebabs on a plate. Everything is looking good. Today it's outside cooking, so I decided I'm gonna bring this recipe to you guys, and this is another chicken recipe, but this is his jerk chicken kebabs, and I'm going in for the taste. Bursting with flavor, and this jerk chicken kebabs, it's something for the summer. And guys, follow the ingredients, check out my other jerk chicken videos, and make this channel blow up. And thanks for everybody that's tuning in, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.